is always packed. Milano is always packed with tourists, and so there you have it. It's been ages since I last put a video of Milano during the season because we're actually in November and the Christmas time is coming closer, so I'm so excited. I'm excited for Christmas. I'm excited for what's gonna be in Milan during the season, so we will stay tuned for that, right? Good evening, guys, and welcome again to the YouTube channel. And you can see this is Piazza Duomo here in Milano, and today is Friday, the end of the weekend. Milan is getting ready for the holidays. There is a brand new store that just opened. Otri. And I'm going to Starbucks to get a pumpkin spice latte. So this is what I got. Let's take a moment to look at this cup. Beautiful. And some donut. Good morning. By the way, I got this frame from Temu. I love it. I love it. As you can see, Christmas is in the house. I also bought some greenery in the bathroom. I add some balls and some veggie.
Can I get a sound check on the mic too, please? Thank you. Okay, and here you go.
My favorite, Lydia Millen, is reading her evergreen journal, and it's so beautiful today. Autumny. Look at those fallen leaves. I really love autumn. I thought I loved spring, but to be honest, I love autumn of all season. I mean, it's so different. It's so beautiful. There you have it. Good morning, and I should be getting ready because I'm going out to have a available with a friend, and it's getting late actually. So, see you guys. And good evening, everyone. Once again, Christmas in Milan. The Christmas tree is now up, and the official date of lighting will be on the 6th. So, but as you can see, there are lights already. So this is like a test. So anyway, I'm excited for Christmas. Regardless of what's going on in my family, there's always something good to look forward this Christmas. So look at Christmas in Milan. Oh my god, I love it. just say that Christmas came way too early. I feel like it's only yesterday it was Christmas. Now we're having another Christmas, this time 2025. So I don't know, time flies so fast, very fast. Guys, bear with me because I'll be showing you the most extravagant Christmas install here in Milan. This is Park Hyatt Milano. As you can see, they always have the best Christmas install. Look at that. Beautiful. Hotels always have the best Christmas install. When I say Christmas factory, I mean this is heaven for Christmas. Amazing. Well, I bought three of my nutcrackers here in La Rinascente because they're the best. And few of my bow balls also from La Rinascente. So I have collected quite a few from here. Oh, look at that. We got an Elvis Presley, ice skating shoes, the lights, the glass bow balls. Beautiful. What else? They got 30% off. Oh, this is nice. They got wreaths. And some what else? Christmas trees, of course. They also got some of this. How much is that? 40 euro for the stockings. Get some classic panettone. So yeah, there you have it. The Christmas factory here in La Rinascente. And of course, to wrap things up, we are here in Monte Napoleone, what do you call this? The chicest place in Milan. Look at the Bulgari install. And with that, from Monte Napoleone, by the way, this is Ralph Lauren Christmas tree. And from Monte Napoleone, I just say advance Merry Christmas. Apparently they put the ice skating rink in the middle of the plaza. This is the portrait hotels and shops. So there you have it.